So here I am at the Lake Elsinore area to check out the Apple Boulder. Apple Boulder is a strange attraction on the side of the road in Perris, California. It is basically a giant painted apple boulders on the side of the road. Apple Boulder isn't hard to find. Take North 74 Highway from 15th Freeway near Lake Elsinore. Go north about 3 miles and it's located in Watson Canyon Road intersection. There aren't much information on who painted this apple boulder. It appears that the local artist painted in 1980s, and the locals love the idea so much that it has been well preserved even now. But there's more. There's a little trail behind the apple boulder, and if you walk down this little trail, there's more artwork in the back. When you walk down this trail, go slow because it's kind of a little rough there. There's a lot of trash and rough rocks and a lot of bushes down here. Always watch where you're going because you don't know what kind of crawly things are crawling in the ground. I haven't seen any so far, but who knows. We are basically going to the this little hill, the green thing on top. Just make sure you don't go walking around at nighttime. It might be pretty dangerous. But in the daytime, it's pretty alright. So here we are at the bottom of this hill. If you look around, there's some bunch of different artwork. If you're going to climb this hill, just be careful and just go slowly. And on the top, obviously, is the big frog. That's pretty cool.